Hi everyone, I am here with another design team project for White Rose Crafts. I have been using the limited edition card kit that was sent to me for the month of March, which you can pre-order now, which will be available in April. And I will have the links in the description box below for you. So let me show you what I've created this week. This week I've created this beautiful shabby chic card, which I was inspired by a card on Pinterest, which I will link a photo in the description box below so you can see which one inspired me. I followed the layout of the paper, but as far as the embellishments and stuff, I kind of changed that up just a little bit the way that they had it on the card. The paper is from Peon Designs. It comes in 12 by 12 sheets, which can be cut down to 6 by 6. And that is what I have done. And I used 4 of the papers, like I said, because it comes in, there's 4 different papers on a 12 by 12 sheet. So I used 4 of the different papers, and then I used my distressing tool to distress the edges to shabby it up. And then I layered all the papers in a specific order. I think they came out really pretty. And then I used one of the pieces of the scrap to make a flag. And then I stamped this hello, which came from the stamp set, which is from Kaiser Craft, called Indigo Skies. And this is actually one long stamp, and I just cut it apart because I wanted just the hello part. And this does come in the kit. Really pretty. And then there was some lace that came in the kit, and I used that to go down underneath the floral collage that I have. And then I have some flat back pearls that came from my stash. This little wooden leaf also came in the kit. And then I have some buttons tucked in, which also came in the kit. Really pretty. The flowers, she calls these ones here begonias, which are pink and white. And then these are Recollection flowers, which she does sell, and I used a couple of them. And I did do the inside. I just used a scrap piece of the paper, so I've left this blank. I popped up the flag on the side that says hello, and I used some Nouveau drops, which is really pretty, this is simply white is what it's called. So this is the card that I have created this week. So please stop back to my channel. I will have more projects coming up soon. And thanks for stopping, and have a good day.